Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Panda.
Panda.
No, it's not Fast Food Friday.
Yes, tell them first lady why we eating today like this.
Listen, we've been running around, running.
Keep talking.
We've been running around today trying to get some stuff done.
Work never done, family. Y'all know that already. Sorry.
It's okay, baby.
Go ahead.
Exactly, my love. And you guys know my mom is in town.
Yeah.
So we've been running around doing stuff for her. And we just didn't have time to cook today. So we decided the whole family is just going to eat Panda Express.
That's right. We got to bring those videos. You know what time it is. Can't slack off.
Exactly.
So what we got right here. Tell them what you got first lady.
So I have
nice.
half and half. Half fried rice, half lo mein. And I have double shrimp. I just feel like eating shrimps today. And then I have some broccoli. And my hubby can have some. What do you have, baby love?
Thank you. Thank you for telling her. I got veggie roll. I got honey sesame chicken. If you never tried, go try that. I never tried that, but one thing I don't like, and they got too much sesame seed. Yeah, and then I got some new thing they got. I mean steak and I think it's steak and what is it called?
Shrimp.
Steak and shrimp. But what was the name of it? Stirred wok, whatever. Something like that. You know, I don't really care.
Yeah.
From not pork. You know, I got the grace on deck. You know, I ain't drawing for the new body yet till this is done. You know what I'm saying? So I put my grace to win the race. You know. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta come through.
And I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. I'm sorry.
They're not mad. Someday they say you could take a break. No, I'm gonna give them. Hold on, I'm gonna give them a piece of shrimp because I have to get them early. Shrimp and a piece of the sesame
chicken.
Honey chicken.
Wow.
All right, because I wanna get down in my thing. Good. Right?
Well, that looks beautiful.
That look beautiful. Do y'all like that? Yes or no? Let me know. All right, now family. So can I eat?
You guys want some lo mein? Let me know.
You want to get some?
They didn't answer fast enough.
Wow.
Take too long, man.
Family, I had a chance. And I, you know, I love the veggie roll.
Okay.
I know they think, damn, fast food ready again?
Yeah. Do you want some?
Give them some.
I'll give that this little bit right here. Okay. Family.
You want that sesame?
I'm sharing. Just caring.
Oh, you beat me to it. Why don't you wait and let me tear in? You want to take your, I get a little piece, tie him out a little. Yeah, of course. I know you get a good taste. I see you lip them dark.
Dark and lovely.
Dark and lovely. So it's good, y'all.
You can't talk again.
Why?
Oh, so you stopped. I thought you was like, I gotta eat the food first.
I'll bring some home.
This is chicken teriyaki. This is teriyaki sauce. I got my ring back, dog.
Gotta go get it back there because they want to give it back to me.
For real. Man tried to tell me, he said, oh,
We got some new
diamonds in here.
I forgot their name. We didn't care.
Royal diamonds. I said, sir, I have yet to see a ring better than mine. Sorry.
Exactly. Simple. Oh, we got 15 or 20% off if you spend this and you spend that. Family.
We don't have no money.
Yeah. Why the hell do that? Anytime you go to a store and you go for a specific reason, they're always trying to show you something else. Like if you go to a car shop, they will tell you every problem your car has except the one you go there for. That happened to y'all?
That's true.
I be hating that. I go, just take care of what I came for. You know what I'm saying? And what I do, family, teach you a trick. When you go to them, and you want to get a good check about your car, let them tell you everything. Your statement and all. And then just bring it to the side shop.
Bring it to Brother Man on the 5th floor.
On the fofo. But I hate that. Calm me down if you like that. They'll tell you everything. You know who they be catching?
Old people.
The old people.
But
And that's not fair.
you gotta be careful too because they will tell you that they fixed something in your car.
Exactly.
How you sitting there for 2-3 hours, family? I ain't fixed not one thing. Oh! A quick story time.
You guys doing that for them?
Sure.
How do you taste?
Honey?
We never knew they had this, no? Steamed broccoli.
I think that's new because I never saw it before.
Did you ever see this at Panda?
Because every time we go to Panda, Timmy is always saying, can you get me broccoli? And I'm like, they don't have just broccoli. They have broccoli and beef and broccoli. So, and usually you would get beef and broccoli just so she can get some of the broccoli, yeah.
Tell me a story, Tom. Oh! First they did right
Ooh, yes.
Check
Look
it
at my
out.
fine husband.
here. They put the head in
Yes.
First they told me she about to plan it up for me, you know? Plain life, you know? Yes, it's mine. So don't say it's not mine. It's mine. So first they hooked me up, you know? Thank God for that. My birthday coming up, you know? Gotta look on fleek. Oh, you don't put it on? Turn this on.
Here.
Let me take this off. Why you take this off?
Or scissors.
This is Mario. Yeah, Jamaica knows this is Mario. Got the Gatorade on deck. You know what it is.
On deck,
I'm loving it. But yeah.
So,
Tell them the story now.
I had to adjust some stuff. But once, I should have got 2 of these, you know. I don't know why I don't know why I didn't tell them 2.
Oh damn, that's how it tastes. Good with the rice.
Yeah? Chick-fil-A sauce?
Okay. Just as one piece. Please.
Okay.
Not for you though.
Hell no.
That's your style.
Oh. Okay. Let me get to the story.
It's delicious. Yes or no?
You guys all know, for the new family members, we do have a food truck. And our food truck had broke down. And we have to get it fixed.
Oh yeah, the story. Yeah.
And one thing about us, we shop around because we don't got no money.
We shop around.
Right.
Oh yeah, it's a good story.
So, we went ahead, we went to like 2 places, and all of them said, you're gonna need a new whatever. So, we're like, okay, how much is it gonna be? They said like $3,000. How much was it, honey?
5,300.
What's up? Where I get 3,000? Where I get 3,000 from?
You get 3,000, almost $6,000.
My bad. But listen, I'm a woman, okay? So I'm like 5,300. So they say yeah. So we went ahead. We're like, we don't have that kind of money. So the guy's like, okay, you can take out a credit card. And I said, well, we already have a credit card, but it's for such and such, you know? So he's like, okay, apply for our credit card, and then we'll give you a certain money off. Cool. Again, Richard and I are like,
Nah, that's too much.
that's too much. We gotta shop around. We brought it to another mechanic, and he was good, but he was just taking too long. The truck was just sitting there, and the truck is our money. So he referred us to some other mechanics. We went there. The mechanic was very nice. he told us, listen, we checked it out.
It doesn't need what you said. They say need.
It doesn't need what they said it needs. So now we're looking at him crazy. We're thinking he's lying because why would that person tell us that we need it? So.
Alright. Good? That's good.
Good money.
Redeem yourself from yesterday. Okay.
Yeah. So he's like, leave it here. I'll fix it for $2,800. He's like, okay, cool. And his main thing was, he said, you gotta understand, I make my business by word of mouth. So if you're telling people that my business is not good, people are not gonna come to me. So I'm gonna make sure I take care of you guys. We said, cool. So then he said, he called us. And he said, family. He said, guys, I'm not gonna lie. No, lies. Before he gets to that point. While we were still there,
we were telling him the place we went to.
Yeah, we were telling him the place we went to. Sorry, my love, it was a while ago. We were telling him the place that we went to, and he was like, "I know the mechanic that works there."
Yeah, I know the mechanic. Good.
Yeah. He's a very good mechanic.
Yeah.
So why would he say that you need this
and you don't?
And you don't? That's odd. So he called him. While we were standing there, put it on speakerphone. The guy didn't know that he was on speakerphone. And he said, hey, there's such and such food truck come to your shop. And he said, yeah. They came to the shop. I looked at their truck and, you know, I checked it out and everything. He said, but they're telling me that you told them that it needs a new this and this. And he said, to be honest, it doesn't need that.
It doesn't need that, exactly.
I told my boss, this truck is in great condition. It doesn't need that. What it needs is this. The boss said, we're going to tell them that it needs this anyway. Because I want to get them.
Yep.
Help me out, honey.
They wanted to get us. Why? I don't know. They buy patty from us all the time. You know what I'm saying? They was regular customers, but knowing people, they probably see you have a food truck, think you have money. It doesn't work like that. They have their big business too, family. Big business, you know what I'm saying? Making, I know, because they've been here for a minute, excuse me. So when the guy did that, and then we stood there, we said, wow, that's what they really do. And but we one thing with us, family, real talk, we just don't jump. Like if you say, okay, Richie and Shanice, go check out that. They got a good price. We will go check it out. But we still gonna shop around. We're not gonna jump on the first thing we get. You always gotta shop around. So that's what we've been doing. We've been shopping around. You know what I'm saying? And then when we went there, he did that and they told us that. I looked at first and I said, wow.
Yep.
These people is evil. Evil. We try to build our thing coming up. Y'all been doing your thing. Which being said, as I said, that's why actually if stuff like that ever happened to y'all. Because when you go to a shop or you go somewhere, people say you need this and you need that and you really don't. So don't just jump for the first person that say, okay, you're going to need that. You're going to need that. Keep checking around. You always have to have backups. That's what we do. We have backup for everything. You know what I'm saying? People who come to the house, give us price for stuff in the house. But anyway, that's a different story because we do everything in the house. If first lady don't want to do it, we ain't going to do it. That's the boss, right? Yo, first lady good. Yo, family, I got to show you some stuff first lady be doing in the house. But anyway, people who come here and give us quotes about different stuff. I'm like, okay, we listen. We going to listen. But we don't have to go with y'all, you understand? So we listen, okay. You know, we talk after they leave and say, okay, what do you think? Blah, blah, blah. We talk about it. After they leave, boom. We have somebody else come in the same day. They jump and come, whatever. We just narrow it down.
Yep.
We're not going to just jump and go with the first person like, yo, because we want to get it done. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So,
Go ahead, Freddy.
question. How do you, let's say you go to a mechanic shop.
Like women, they love taking advantage of y'all.
They do.
They love taking advantage of the woman.
But, let's say you go to a mechanic shop, right? And they tell you, hey, now listen guys, I'm a woman, yes, but I know about cars.
You know cars.
Okay? If I hear a sound, I already know what it is.
First lady know cars.
I do. So, if you go to a mechanic shop and you tell them something's wrong with my car, I keep on hearing this squeaking noise, blah 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 blah, and they tell you, oh, the timing belt needs to be changed, for example, and then like, well, the timing belt needs to be changed. How do you know that they actually changed it?
That's what I'm saying.
Because maybe it wasn't that. Maybe it was something simple, and they're like, oh, okay, let me just fix this, or let me just do this, and then you don't hear the noise anymore, so you think it's fixed. But then 6 months later,
same problem occurred.
you start hearing the same problem, and you go back, and they're like, yeah, your timing belt needs to be changed. And you're like, wait a minute, I changed it 6 months ago.
Yep. I'm not saying, yeah, that is messed up. I'm not saying everyone is like that. They have some of them that's really nice, and look, I like the ones that just have their business and they just trying to get out there. They be the one that really to help you.
Yeah.
You feel what I'm saying? They the one that really to help you. So when we went to this person that my friend referred me to because he couldn't take care of it, they have their business and they coming up. You know what I'm saying? They took care of us. They was very nice. The truck was done right. That's the car.
And
there was good price.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? And up to this day, we still have the truck is still running, and we still have them working on our truck.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? But just don't jump and take first advice you hear. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. You want more shrimp, honey?
Yes, I was waiting for that. You didn't even give me none. I only took one. I'm waiting for every minute I look over there on your food and see if you're done. I was waiting when you gonna say you're done.
But
I'm taking my time with the food. You think I'm taking my time?
I was wondering why the food was still on your plate, because normally you're the fish eating already.
Family, I'm there talking and then still watching her plate because just give me some food right here. Cause what do you think I ain't done my food already? I told the lady to give me a lot of food, yo.
She gave you a lot of food, honey.
No, she didn't. She gave me a little bit of rice. That's good, yo. So, you think I got money on you? You didn't even give me a Yao Ming, Mario.
You don't yum Yao Ming. You never order it.
So you mean I don't like it?
No, then why? How come you don't order it?
Family, look how long I was waiting. Tell her.
I'm not gonna lie. I saw you looking over here several times. I'm what are you looking at?
For food.
I don't know what's wrong with your belly.
We asked them how they've been doing. I didn't even ask them.
Why you didn't ask them?
Eating and chatting.
Because you get new haircut. You think you're cute. You can't answer them.
I'm Hollywood, son.
But you got a haircut, and he never asked you guys how you guys are doing.
I did ask him.
You sure?
I'm
Yeah, watch you not.
I'm fresh, son.
So fresh and so clean.
I look like a snack.
You sure do? Don't get me started on the snickety snack.
Don't do that now.
I am full though, so you can have the rest of this.
I am. I'm eating. I'll wait. Give it to me.
That one was really good. This piece of shrimp, because it had the outside was really crispy.
You want to try this one? Stir fry one?
I'm full. Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute.
What?
You didn't ask me to try your stir fry one.
You want to be honest with you? I don't think lady gave me like 2 pieces of shrimp. This is the second one I saw. You remember? She gave me beer onion.
Beef. Onion.
Beef, yeah.
How was the beef? Was it soft?
It was good. I'm good.
When she was sharing it out in the store, I said to Richie, did she even give you any shrimp? That's exactly what I said to him.
And we got paid double for that.
Yeah. Fiesta. Well, you got more shrimp right here, so.
Give me them. But yeah, family. That was a quick story. Real life too. And up to date, those people that did our truck, they're still our mechanic right now.
Yep.
Cause they get other business from us.
Exactly.
That's how you do it.
Exactly.
Somebody do something right, you put them onto somebody else. And then just word of mouth and keep going and going. That's how you get your business.
Exactly.
I mean, but
Don't be greedy. You
for
know?
real.
Don't come in there.
Just like YouTube, I'm telling you.
It's okay, my love.
Anybody could be subscribed to anybody's channel.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? You can't be mad at somebody for subscribing to your channel. Whatever, you know what I mean? It's for everybody.
Yeah.
You know?
It's just like if you watch somebody's, if you're a bigger YouTuber, smaller YouTuber, whatever, and you watch somebody's video and you got inspired by their video and you want to do something like eat something, what's so hard to say, hey, I got this from such and such. It's not going to make you or break you. People are not going to leave your channel to go to our channel or somebody else's channel. What does it hurt to say DCNC family? What does it hurt to say like mother like daughter eats? What does it say? What does it hurt to say any other YouTubers out there? You understand? It doesn't hurt to mention their name if they inspired you to do something. So it's the same thing.
Like the same thing.
You know what I mean?
Word them out.
There's enough people and money to go around for everybody. Let me tell you that.
But
Don't stop people's bags.
Them guys tried us though, Tom. And family, you know what's funny? They buy every day and smile with us, talk to us. Oh, if you're having a problem with your truck, bring it over here. Huh? To the left. They don't see me again. And you know what? What's so bad? We drove back by there and stopped. And they purchased, looking like, oh, you got the truck fixed. Yes, we did. I forgot to tell you that story, that part. We stopped there. They said, oh, you got it fixed. They said, sure did. Whoa! I forgot. I almost say like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we reached that part yet. Feeling myself today, son. All right, friends. What I got for y'all beautiful people today? All right. Ready, family? Ready, first lady? Family, failures are part of life. If you don't fail, you will never learn. If you don't learn, you will never change. I said that before?
Me no.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think I said that one before. Some of them I don't remember. I just be saying so much I don't remember. I ain't said that before. Did I?
I don't think so. Beautiful people.
We share with you. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. That's Shanice and this is Richie. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.